Well, today I'm going to show you this box that has three games in it. Has a tic-tac-toe, whack-a-mole, and then it has a reaction timer. It's very difficult to see under these lights in here, and even when I turned the lights off, it didn't really look very good. But anyway, I made a larger box for it so it's easier to hold instead of a little tiny thing, and put a switch on here on the side. And then inside is a ESP32, one of those inexpensive boards, a rechargeable 3.7.2 volt battery, and a buckboard that I reduced the voltage down to 5 volts. Okay. Then, and of course the switch is over here. And I'm right now printing the lid for it, and I'm going to also reinforce the corners, and there's going to be 4 screws holding the lid down. I just wish that I can show you the game a little bit better. There we go. So maybe I'll just go down. There we go. Okay, so we're going to play a whack-a-mole. And it's a pretty extensive, pretty fast. You have to, and if you don't tap correctly, it counts also the ones you miss. And right now, and there is the game score. So 41 successful and 0 misses, which I don't know if that's true, but it looks like that I did. Okay, we'll hit the menu, and then we're going to go to the reaction time. You hit start, and then you wait until it comes, and then you tap it, and it's 221 milliseconds. Tap for a menu, and we're going to play the tic-tac-toe. So we'll put one here, X puts one here, and it's going to be a draw. Anyway, but if you like to have the game and or the box and all the parts that you can print, 3D print, let me know, and then I'll upload it to internet, and you can then download it. I will give you where where the download is at. But it's kind of fun to play with it, and I'm happy to say that this project is successful as it is, and a lot of fingerprints. And otherwise than that, I ask you to put thumbs up, and you have a fantastic day.